Here is an app, Widgetable. It's going viral because of all these new widgets and all of that. And there is a new category, it's like garden widget. So you can just tap on the garden and then, yeah, you have all types of, like, you have flower widgets. You can just grow them, and that's how you grow. And then that's how you can install the plant widget on the screen. So yeah, either on the lock screen or home screen. And then if you install it, basically it will just grow faster. So yeah, just tap and hold on your screen, tap plus. I guess you just then need to search for Widgetable. There it was. So just tap Widgetable, add widget, and then just tap to hold it, and then edit widget, and then widget style, and then from here you just select plant. So there you have it. And then this is the another plant which wizard. So from here you just select widget, and then yeah, maybe you just need to add it first as a widget here in the app. Sorry guys. So whatever, so just tap on that. Here is the plant, and then here's you have all of these additional features. And then yeah, here you have it, save to widget, tap on the home screen, and then select widget size small, and just tap next. And then yeah, plant 4, you can just give it a name. And then yeah, you will be able then to select it. So yeah, you just need to do those steps. So just select from here, and then there you have it. Now it just appears here. So yeah, and then you will see that it starts to grow. So yeah, something like that. Give it a try, and then it can look kind of cool on your home screen.